Hello and namaste to all of you. This is Javin Shalo Singh from Department of Physiotherapy and Diagnosis from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. For in previous lectures, I told you about that water soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and further I told you about vitamin B. Now I'll go come towards now more of the vitamins. So today we will be discussing about pantothenic acid. So, pen, uh, the structure of acid, for that it needs the expenditure of four high energy bonds, pantothenic acid and beta mercaptoethanol amine, which are parts of coenzyme A, CoA, and the CoA is basically a nucleotide. So, coenzyme activity of pantothenic acid. So, the beta mercaptoethanol amine, it contains one thiol or sulfhydryl group, and it is active site where acyl groups are carried. So, therefore, coenzyme A is sometimes abbreviated as CoASH to denote this active site. Now, the thioester bond is acyl CoA is high energy bond, and these acyl CoA groups are transferred to other acceptors. For example, acetyl CoA plus choline and acetylcholine plus CoA. So, the acyl groups are also accepted by CoA molecules during the metabolism of other substrate. For example, pyruvate plus CoA plus NAD plus will form acetyl CoA plus carbon dioxide plus NADH. Now, the important CoA derivatives, these are acetyl CoA, succinyl CoA, HMG CoA, and acyl CoA. Now, the coenzyme A is an important component of fatty acid synthase complex, and the ACP, it also contains pantothenic acid. So, the deficiency of pantothenic acid, it causes burning foot syndrome, which is also called as Gopalan's burning foot syndrome. So, it is manifested as paraesthesia, that is burning and lightening pain in lower extremities, staggering gait due to impaired coordination, and sleep disturbances. So, these deficiency manifestations, these are rare in human beings, and they syndrome are seen during famine, in prison cramps, and in chronic alcoholics, and in some renal dialysis patients. So, in animal experiments, deficiency has resulted in anemia due to reduced heme synthesis from succinyl CoA and reduced steroidogenesis due to lack of acetyl CoA dermatitis, fatty liver, and adrenal necrosis. So, the sources of pantothenic acid are, it is widely distributed in plants and animals, and moreover, it is synthesized by normal bacterial flora in intestines, and therefore the deficiency is very rare. And yeast, livers, eggs, which are the good sources. So, the requirement of pantothenic acid, so the RDA, it goes for about 10 mg per day. So, that was all about pantothenic acid. So, in further lectures, we will be discussing about biotin. So, if you have any doubts regarding pantothenic acid, you can consult me, or about any other topic which was told earlier. So, until then, take care and goodbye.